Hi, Brett. My name is Alma, and Josh referred me to you. I spoke with him earlier today, and I let him know that I wanted to send you guys this short audit of your website to see where you rank on Google and what you can do to make it better, to increase your ranking. So let's start. I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. What is content? Content are all the words that you have on your main page along with the pictures. By the way, you have a very nice website, and I like your logo. It's very nice. For your site, you have about 1,100 words on your main page, but Google likes to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page. This definitely will help you. Just making this change will help you rank higher on Google. If you notice, you have, I'm going to put you side by side with one of your competitors here. You have this company, Remodeling Contractors in Palmdale. They have a very basic website, but they're ranking higher, and I'll let you know in a minute why. So for this, I used a tool called Ahrefs that gives me more details about your site. So the second thing I want to talk about are citations. What are citations? Citations is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many directories online as possible. One of the things that you need to better or correct is your Google My Business. This part here, when someone Googles your name, this is going to appear, and unfortunately you do not have a phone number here and you have not claimed your business. These are two things that you can do to improve your ranking and people being able to find you online just by typing your name. Important to have your phone number. Let's see where your competitors are. When it comes to backlinks, I want to talk about backlinks now. The backlinks is having a link from your site listed on another website, and this link coming back to you is having a referral from a prestigious place, is having a referral from a domain with high authority coming back to you. If you notice, your competitors have 70 backlinks and you only have 19. Another thing is they have 15 organic keywords. These keywords are relevant to their business. So when people type these on Google, they're finding them before they find you. Because if you see your site, even though you have more, they only have 15 and you have 20, yours are not relevant to your business. So people are not going to find you when they're looking for a remodeling contractor or they're looking for a general contractor, because you don't have those here. I really don't even know why you have this House of Fun, Casino, Charlie Guido's Hollywood Casino. These have nothing to do with your business. That is why you're not even being found on the first 10 pages of Google. This needs to be done right in order for you to rank on the first page of Google, and the goal is to get you ranking on the map pack, which is the first 3 businesses on Google. So to recap, you'll need more content for your site on the main page, more words and pictures. Your pictures need to be saved under a keyword for your business also. You need to have more citations. Your business needs to be listed on more directories online. You need to correct this part here on Google My Business. You need to claim the business and add your phone number. And also you need to get a lot more backlinks and keywords that are relevant to your business. You definitely can do this on your own, but I will be happy to help you because this is what I do for businesses. I help them rank higher on Google and be found when people are searching for what they offer. Once again, my name is Alma. Thank you for your time. My phone number is 661-406-0608. Thanks. Bye.